Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay and I make sewing and DIY fashion video every week. The weather is ready for autumn. Have you made any autumn project for the kids? My project today will be a great suggestion for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make girls ruffle trim plaid top. Free PDF patterns from 1 to 10 set has been uploaded on my page. Please click the link in the description box to download the patterns. So like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's get started. I used the basic pattern from ebook drafting pattern from men's and children wear. Firstly, from the underarm point down to 5 cm, I draw a top length. Next, I open 1 cm for the neckline, then cut out the front pattern. Then I make the back pattern the same as the front pattern. Next, I draw a curve of the front pattern, then cut along the curve. Next, I cut a rectangle with 4 cm width and 26.5 cm length. This is a ruffle 1 pattern. Next, from wrist up to 8 cm of the sleeve, I draw a stretched line. I use this underpiece to make ruffle. Divide this ruffle into 4 small pieces, then open 1.5 cm above and 3 cm below. Next, I cut a rectangle with a width equal the waistline and the length equal the top length at 5 cm. Divide rectangle into 6 small pieces, then open 1.5 cm above and 3 cm below. This is a ruffle 2 pattern. I use French terry fabric and checkered fabric for this top. At 0.7 cm, seam allowance at all edges. At 3.7 cm seam allowance at the center front. Cut a strip of fabric diagonally to the width of 3 cm. It will be made by a step at the neckline. Next, I pin and sew the ruffle one inside 0.7 cm. Then make the garter stitch at the other edge. After that, I pin and sew the right side of the front too, with the wrong side of the ruffle one at the curve. Next, I fold the center front inside 0.7 cm, then fold 2 cm to sew the blanket. Next, I pin and sew the front one and the front two together at the curve. Then top stitch along the curve. With right side together, I pin and sew the front and the back at the shoulder seams. Next, I make the garter stitch for the ruffle. Then sew them with the sleeve. Then top stitch. After that, I sew the sleeve with the top of the armhole. Then sew the underarm and side seams. sew the hem of the sleeve. Next, I make the bio step of the neckline. Next, I sew 2 pieces of the ruffle 2 at the side seams with right side together. Then make the gathering stitch. After that, I pin and sew the ruffle and the top of the waistline. Then zigzag and top stitch along the waistline. Lastly, I sew the hem and make the buttons. We are done. I hope you guys enjoy watching and make it for your kids. See you next video. Bye!